icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Hi guys, so in today's video I will be doing some Ghana twists on my mom's head. These are Bonita locks. These are 14-inch, and this is going to be my first time doing this. These locks were kind of tough, to like pull through a little bit, so I had to go back and redo a lot of them. So these twists, I just wanted to be really, really careful with pulling them through my mom's hair because she has really, really soft curls, stuff like that. So I just wanted to make sure I wasn't hurting her or anything, because these are really, really thick locks and they're like tough to pull through, especially when you have rubber bands on it. Oh, and by the way, I did the rubber band method on my mom's hair as well. And like I said, this is my first time doing this. So yeah. And I know with the parting, it doesn't supposed to look like that, but at least the hair covered it up. So like whenever you're doing parts, don't make them as perfect, because it's like you'll be bald. So just make sure you're not making like really, really perfect, parts. Like not like really straight, because you don't want too much of like the scalp showing. So but I'm really proud of myself on this hairstyle, because I think I did a really, really good job. So yeah, I really hope you guys will enjoy the video. I tried to make it as simple and easy as possible, so I hope you guys can learn from this like I did, because I learned off YouTube in like 2 days and I just decided to do it. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like the hairstyle because I love it. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. she has like longer hair on top. So I just twisting the hair around the lock so it looks right, and her hair and this lock hair actually blends in really good. So that's what I was doing. So I hope you guys can see that what I was doing, or get the look of what I was doing. So yeah, so I was just twisting around. So guys, this video is gonna end. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I know I enjoyed doing this hairstyle on my mom. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.